Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will give you a sample review of Orange Holiday eSIM. The Orange Holiday eSIM is a digital SIM card by Orange, designed for travelers. It offers a quick and convenient way to stay connected abroad without the need for physical SIM cards. Users can activate it immediately by scanning a QR code. The eSIM works in over 30 countries, including France, Spain, and Germany, and includes 20 gigabytes of high-speed internet. It offers unlimited calls and text within Europe and comes with various plans to fit different travel needs. Topping up is easy via the Orange website or app, and there are no extra charges within the covered countries. The eSIM is compatible with the most smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches, and users can manage it through the Orange app. Overall, the Orange Holiday eSIM is an excellent choice for travelers, providing instant activation, wide coverage, and generous data allowances. It is a hassle-free, cost-effective way to stay connected on your travels. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.